Today we will go to normal distribution part 4. Then earlier we have learned what is normal distribution and how can convert normal distribution into standard normal distribution or set distribution. Then today we will go to probability of standard normal distribution. Then we'll do the calculations about the probability in standard normal distribution. Under that, the first one, find probability of set higher than minus 0.5. Find probability of set greater than minus 0.5. That is the probability that a standard normal random variable set is greater than a given value minus 0.5. What we need to do here, it is better if we can draw a graph for this situation. We will draw a graph for this situation. And this is the graph. First what we need to do, you need to mark minus 0.5 in the standard normal distribution curve. That is here somewhere minus 0.5. Then thereafter what we need to do, we need to mark the set greater than minus 0.5. What we need to do here, we need to shade the area greater than minus 0.5. That is the probability of the given area. Then to find this probability of this shaded area, we need to use the 0.5 set tables. Then 0.5 set tables gives the probabilities from 0 to 0.5 in each left side and right side. Okay, then it is given the probability between 0 to 0.5 in the left side and in the right side. Therefore, what you need to do, you need to use this set table to find the probability under the shaded area. Then we need to consider here 0.5 set table. Then it gives the probability from 0 to 0.5 in the left side and the right side. And here to find the shaded area, we need to find the 0 to 0.5 minus 0.5 set value. Then you need to know minus 0.5 set value. From 0 to minus 0.5 set value, there is some particular shaded area. Then that can be found by using set table. And also you all know 0 to the right side. Then total right side is there for the higher than 0. Then that is 0.5 probabilities. Therefore, what you need to do, you need to find the value for the 0 to minus 0.5 value from the set table and add 0.5. Then you can get the total area greater than 0.5 set value. Then how can get the 0.5 value? These are the set values. Then here left corner, that column is set values. Then what you need to do, you need to go to the 0.5 value, that is 1915, 0.1915. That is the area under the curve from 0 to 0.5. That is the probability from 0 to 0.5. Then we can consider this minus or plus. Then minus value we need to take. Then that is also 0.1915. Now you can understand here what I told you. Then it is marked here. Then 0 to 0.5 value from the set table, we can get it as 0.1915. It is 0.1915. That is the probability from 0 to minus 0.5. Then other half is 0.5. Other half is 0.5. Now you all know, then other half, then right side half is the 0.5 probability. Then we found 0 to minus 0.5 probability. Then we need to add those together to find the greater than minus 0.5. Therefore, we can get, after adding those two together, we can get 0.6915 is the total probability higher than or greater than minus 0.5. Then if you need to find it as percentage, what you need to do, you need to multiply it by 100. Then it is coming 69.15%. We'll go to the next calculation, next sum. Then second one, find probability of set less than minus 1.64. The probability that a standard normal random variable set is less than a given value minus 1.64. Then that is the probability you need to find now. First we need to mark minus 1.64 in the particular place in the set graph. Then minus 1.64 at very beginning we need to mark there. After, what you need to do, you need to shade the area, that is standard normal random variable set less than given value minus 1.64. You need to shade the area. Then thereafter you need to use the set table to find the probability from 0 up to 1.64. Now we will mark minus 1.64. Then minus 1.64 we marked. Then we need to shade the area less than minus 1.64. Then we can shade that area. Then from the set table, what we can do, we can find from 0 to minus 1.64 area we can find by using the set table. Then we will find that. Then we will go to 1.64. Then 1.6 you can get from the set value. Then you need to go to the find 0.4 into other value. Then 1.64. Then you are getting 0.4495. 0.4495. Now you use the set table, and according to that you found the value from 0 to minus 1.64. The probability from 0 to minus 1.64 is 0.4495. Then we all know the total probability in the left side is 0.5. But we have to find the set value lesser than minus 1.64. But we all know up to 1.64 what is the probability? 0.4495. Then out of 0.5, if you reduce 0.4495, you can get the shaded area probability. Then what you need to do, you need to subtract 0.4495 from 0.5. Thereafter you can get the answer of 0.0505. Now if you want to find the probability as percentage, what you need to do, you need to multiply that in 100. Then we can get the 5.05% is the probability set higher than, set not higher than, less than minus 1.64. We'll go to the third one. Find probability set value between minus 0.5 and 0.7. The probability that a standard normal random variable set is in between minus 0.5 to 0.7. What we need to do now? What we need to do? Then first what we need to do, you need to mark these two values in the Z curve. Then minus 0.5 you need to mark there, and also 0.7. What we need to do next is, you need to shade the area between minus 0.5 to 0.7. Then it is marked in the graph. Then you need to find the shaded area. That is the probability between 0.5 to 0.7. Now you can use set table, 0.5 set table to find 0.5 value. Then that means from 0 to 0.5 probability you can find by using the set table, that is 0.1914. And also you can find 0.7 value also. Then that is also 0.2580. Then now you are getting the probability between 0 to minus 0.5, that is 0.1915, and also you got probability from 0 to 0.7, that is 0.2580. Then by adding those two together, you can get the probability that a standard normal random variable set between minus 0.5 to 0.7. Then the probability from 0 to minus 0.5 marked here in the graph, that is 0.1915, and 0.7 up to from 0 it is marked here, that is 0.2580. Then as I mentioned earlier, now we'll add those two together, 0.1915 plus 0.2580, that is 0.4495, that is the Z between, probability of Z between minus 0.5 to 0.7. Now you can find the percentage by multiplying it by 100. Then the probability between minus 0.5 to 0.7 is coming as percentage, that is 44.95%. Then today we finished how to do the calculations in the probability in standard normal distribution. Then from the next video we will start to do the hypothesis testing.